Good morning. I am Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Director Medical Education and Professor and Head Pulmonary Medicine, ERAS Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow. I have been former Director, Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, Delhi, and former Professor and Head Department of Pulmonary Medicine, King George Medical University. I am working in pulmonary medicine for more than 4 decades, and during this, I have treated lakhs of patients of tuberculosis. One question always patient asks to me, sir, what to eat and what not to eat? So, what TB patient should take, what diet it should take, that today's my discussion is for this. So, if one line, TB is a 100% curable disease, provided you take your medicines correctly. Don't default the drugs, don't leave the drugs. But it is very unfortunate that around 4 lakh, more than 4 lakh people are dying every year with tuberculosis in this country. And more than 1200 to 1300 per day people dying with the tuberculosis. So, treatment is very important. Diet may not be very important. Diet means when I say diet, you have to live healthy. You have to eat healthy diet. So you should eat a balanced diet. Whatever diet is required to to live normally, to live healthy, that diet is also required for tuberculosis patient. Well, if somebody is, usually TB patients are malnourished, some deficiency in some diets, of course, if you consult your doctor, those diets might be replenished separately. Another issue comes in tuberculosis. Many people ask me a question, sir, I am a vegetarian, I have been a pure vegetarian. And now suppose that patient has developed tuberculosis, should I change to non-vegetarian? I strictly do not advise for it. If you are a vegetarian, no need to change to non-vegetarian. Because there were a lot of myth that TB patients should eat fish, should eat meat, chicken, but that is a myth. Not necessary. If your diet is balanced, even if vegetarian diet is balanced, that is more than sufficient to cure tuberculosis. Now I am sharing these ideas with you not from book, but by treating lakhs and lakhs of patients of tuberculosis. So what is really required? You have to eat. Now, what is a good diet? Good diet means it must consist of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and then your diet must contain fresh vegetables. Your diet must contain fruits, lot of fruits. So these things you have to balance it, and your diet should be regular. Not that you should have a very bizarre eating habit. When you take breakfast in time, take lunch in time, take dinner in time, and usually we say that dinner should be taken 2-3 hours before you going to sleep. Sleep early, have a good sleep. So these things will be help the patients of tuberculosis. But only thing which helps maximum in tuberculosis is the regular intake of drug. So what I advise every patient of TB, your diagnosis should be quick and early, and whatever prescription has been given either by the government or by any doctor, that you have to follow. You have to take those medicines regularly, and you have to complete the treatment, so that will cure your tuberculosis 100%. Thank you very much.